Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and we got albóndigas tonight. So, the missus, the CEO, the head honcho, typically she throws down, and the kids love. She's got this little chicken, chicken breast that she makes with culantro and achote. It's just delicious. The kids love it with white rice and corn. But my favorite meal that she makes is these albóndigas. And I got a beggar. When she's in the mood for it, she throws down. So part of this was we had to get her own apron. She was festering about, I can't be on the TV show, on the YouTube channel without my apron. You know, just drama, right? Just drama. But anyways, we got her an apron, or I better stated, she made her own apron. So with that said, here's the missus. Who's recording?
Hi. I'm wearing our shirt. I made it. And
So Saul was talking about shirts. Marcus was talking about shirts. Jimmy B was talking about an apron. So we're almost up to 500 subscribers. When we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway for either an apron or a t-shirt, and then we'll make them available. But that first person will get the first batch of the Michael's Kitchen apron or shirt. We'll see what we give away.
And mine, of course, that'll be in my favorite color.
I'm going to let her take over here and then give a review of all the ingredients we're going to have for our albóndigas, which is just meatballs. And
let me take over. For our albóndigas, meatballs, we're going to have 2 pounds of ground beef, our pilon to mash the garlic with the oregano. I got here a can of guandules for our rice, or moro de guandules. You're gonna see the recipe here. The red beans and rice, moro de habichuela roja, adobo, culantro and achote, some olives, tomato sauce, breadcrumbs, cilantro, which I love, 1 small red onion, purple onion, my favorite peppers,
Cubanelle peppers,
and we're going to use 6 Roma tomatoes,
and in the binder, the glue,
egg, 1 egg. So let me get all this ready and we'll be right back. Now I'm going to start assembling the meatballs, the albóndigas. I'm going to add a little bit of onions, because the rest I'm going to leave it for my sauce. A little bit of peppers, garlic, and oregano.
That she masked in the pilon off camera. But if you guys see our video, we did the patalitos, where I used the mano pilon.
1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. A sprinkle of my favorite cilantro.
She put cilantro in everything.
Yeah, everything. And the glue, like the chef said. The egg. Gonna put some adobo using the chef scientific measurements.
She always makes fun of me, but that's probably gonna be at least 1 tablespoon for all that beef.
Culantro and achote.
Which shout out to David, because he introduced us to this tropical and we love it.
Now I'm gonna put it together. And I'm a Latina, and I don't use gloves. My hands it is.
She always makes fun of me in my gloves.
We're gonna put everything, incorporate everything together, and then we're gonna make little bowls. Some people use the ice cream scoop. I don't do that. I just grab a little and start making little balls, and we go from there.
We'll be right back. Interesting, you guys know we did a few meatballs. This recipe is completely different, and again, my favorite dish, one of my favorite dishes that she makes for us. So
everybody's different, and I put a little bit of cilantro, onions and peppers. Not everybody does that. They do it in a sauce, but I don't follow the rules, so I do it the way I want it.
hashtag have it your way.
And do it your way. So you see a little bit of meat, little bowl, that's it. If I see the next one too big, I just take off a little. There you go. Until I finish all this meat.
What I find interesting, don't know if it'll make the video or not, but Mom, when she cooks, all the kids come out of the room. So all the kids are just lingering around. We'll be back when the meatballs are assembled, yes?
Yes.
And they are done, and they smell, for the record, they smell delicious, and they look really cute.
They look really cute. I got here my pot really hot. I'm gonna give just some color to the meatballs, albóndigas. Usually we fry them. I don't like doing that because I like them to be mushy.
Moist.
Yeah, moist. Because when you fry them, they're gonna be hard on the outside. I don't like that. So I'll put a little bit of oil.
And the pot's been preheated already, so the pot's nice and hot. If you can't see, look, she just puts oil in, so it's smoking up already.
And we're gonna add our meatballs. And I forgot to say in the beginning, I hope you guys can understand my English, because my English is not pretty good looking.
Your English is fine. Everyone understands you. People pay to hear that accent. So we'll give this a little bit of color, and then we'll be right back.
I'm here turning them, and I'm going to show you the color that we're looking for. I'm going to keep on turning all of them, and we'll be right back. So we already gave some color to the albóndigas. Now we're going to get ready to make the escabeche, which is the sauce. And I'm going to start adding the onions.
The rest of the onions, right?
Yeah, the rest. And the peppers. Now I'm going to toss it a little bit. And I'm going to lower the fire.
Oh, I can do something?
Yes, please. Cover them. I'm going to wait till the onions, peppers are sauteed. And we go from there.
So can I do something else now again?
Cover, please.
Because I did the lowering. Can I do the covering too?
Yes, thank you. We'll be right back. Now we got our albóndigas meatballs with their onions and pepper, cilantro all sauteed.
And it smells
Delicious. And you can see we have a little bit of liquid, and I haven't put any liquid at all yet. Now I'm going to add the olives.
about 5 or 6 chopped olives.
And you can add a little bit of the liquid. Give it a really nice taste.
In Spanish we call it el agrio.
Yeah, agrio. A little bit of culantro chote. I'm going to taste later to see what I need to add again, or if I need to add anything else.
It looks like a teaspoon each of adobo and culantro chote.
Here we're going to add all our tomatoes, which they're going to make the sauce. They're going to release the liquids. And you see, he made the 2 holes. I don't like it like that. I told you I don't follow rules. So I open it the way I like.
She's just trying to go in against the grain. If I like it that way, she'll do it the opposite.
Now I'm gonna toss it a little bit and cover it and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna check on the sauce, and when the tomatoes break up, and we go from there.
Temperature stays what? Still low?
It's still low.
Still low. So now we're gonna start steeping and creating the sauce.
Yes, sir.
Cover.
And check on a little bit. Our albóndigas are being simmering for about 15 minutes. It smells delicious. Let me show you all the liquid that we have. I didn't put any liquid at all. The tomatoes make this sauce. Don't forget to check for taste, salt, pepper. I like pepper.
Hot sauce. You can put some hot sauce in there if you want it.
And if you want it to be more dried off, just uncover it and let it sit for a couple of minutes, and liquid is gonna evaporate. So it's already done.
Is it time to eat yet?
Yes, almost. I made here the Morter de Guandules to eat it with our delicious albóndigas. It smells so good. And so we'll be right back. Let me serve this.
So dinner is served, and the missus is gonna explain. This is a typical setting in our world.
Dominican.
When I don't throw down. No, when I throw down, I got parchment paper. I wrap it, make a little sandwich and thing. But here we are. What do we got, babe?
Okay. Our albóndigas. A little bit of Morter de Guandules. Rice with guandules. Dominicans have to have salad, tomato, cucumbers, and lettuce. Avocado. They always are on our table. And we made our vinaigrette with a little bit of oil, vinegar.
You don't ask for ranch or Caesar dressing.
No, we don't do that. And salt, but I add adobo instead of salt. And you can also they can also put some grated onion. It is delicious, but I didn't do it.
Literally a box grater, just grated.
It's delicious. So let's see what my chef is gonna say about the food.
So can I serve myself yet?
Yes, baby.
Are you sure?
Get your meatballs. What I put all the
Get your
vinaigrette.
own.
Sucker.
So I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm gonna do 2 balls, and the star of this is having the sauce right over your rice. That's the purpose of that.
And don't forget a little bit of salt on our avocados. Just
A light dusting.
okay.
May I?
Yes, sir.
So you guys didn't see she made the Morter de Guandule, which is again a staple, and it's good. It's really good.
I want to show the meatball that is still firm. It hasn't broken out. So it's going to be really moist and tender.
She's making me suffer. Can I taste it yet?
But yes, go ahead. I'm not Levi.
So let's see what we got.
You don't want any salad? I have to have some salad. Can I have any?
I eat my salad on a burger. That, sweetheart, worth the wait.
Really?
It's delicious.
Glad to hear that. Let me taste. I'll tell you right now.
While I'm waiting for you.
See? This is a Dominican plate.
That's good. That's really good. It's my favorite dish first. I said it earlier.
I mean, you see? Tender. It's delicious. No, because I made it.
That's the hard part. I say, oh, this is delicious. It really came out good.
And goes perfect with the rice, with the moro gandules
yes.
and all the sauce.
A few people I know they're going to be a little envious of my moro gandule here. But, guys, special guest chef. We had a few of them, but I've been chasing her to come on video, and we finally got her. But anyways, if you like the video,
Like the video.
comment down below if there's anything you want to make. Don't forget, we've got our 500 subscribers. We'll do a little giveaway of either our shirt or an apron.
An apron, I think.
Yep. And that's it.
A buen tiempo.
A buen tiempo, guys. Because you know, actually, little shout out to my boy David with salsa casero, little hot sauce on here. Nothing wrong with a little fire on here. Don't be shy. Or, Marcus, don't be cheap.
And if you guys see me dancing, it's because us Latinas, we dance for cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, wake up with music. So, and when the food is delicious, we even dance more. Oh.
Bye, people. Hasta luego.
Delicioso, como dice Dora.